Let's talk about two vegetables that often sit side by side in the grocery store, broccoli and cauliflower. At first glance, they might seem similar, but there's a lot more to these veggies than meets the eye. Both are members of the Brassicaceae family, sharing roots with cabbage, kale, and Brussels sprouts. This family is known for its nutrient-packed vegetables that have been enjoyed for centuries across the globe. Broccoli is a vibrant green, while cauliflower is a creamy white. Cousins with unique personalities. Their colors aren't just for show, they hint at the different nutrients and antioxidants each one offers. These veggies are famous for their flavors and health benefits, making them staples worldwide. Whether you're cooking for family or just for yourself, they fit into almost any meal. Broccoli often stars in stir-fries and salads, adding a satisfying crunch and a burst of green to your plate. Meanwhile, cauliflower has recently become a culinary chameleon. Think pizza crust, rice, and even creamy soups. Its mild flavor makes it perfect for creative recipes and healthy swaps. But which is better for you? To find out, we'll break down their nutrition, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. We'll also look at how each one supports your health in different ways. We'll compare them in every important category, from what's inside to how they help your body. You might be surprised by the differences and similarities. And of course, we'll cover the best ways to cook them for maximum flavor and nutrition. Whether you prefer them steamed, roasted, or raw, there's a method for everyone. By the end, you'll have the facts to decide which deserves a spot on your plate, or maybe you'll want to enjoy both more often. This isn't just about picking a favorite, it's about making smart choices for your health and taste buds. After all, the best diet is one that's both nutritious and delicious. So, let's dive into the great green and white debate. Let the showdown begin and discover which veggie comes out on top. First, let's look at the basics, calories and fiber. These two nutrients are often the first things people check when comparing vegetables, and for good reason. They play a big role in how filling a food is, and how it fits into your daily diet. Both broccoli and cauliflower are low-calorie foods. About 27 calories per cup for cauliflower, and just a bit more, 31 for broccoli. That's impressively low, especially when you consider how much space these veggies take up on your plate. With numbers like these, you can enjoy generous servings without worrying about excess calories or energy overload. They're perfect for anyone looking to eat more, while still keeping calories in check. Now, let's talk fiber. Cauliflower gives you about 2.1 grams per cup, while broccoli edges ahead with 2.4 grams. It's a small difference, but every bit counts when you're aiming for a fiber-rich diet. Fiber is essential for keeping your digestion running smoothly, and helps you feel full for longer, making it a great ally for weight management and curbing unnecessary snacking. A fiber-rich diet also supports a healthy gut, lowers the risk of heart disease, and can even help regulate blood sugar levels. It's one of the most important nutrients for overall wellness. Both veggies are excellent for your internal ecosystem, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and helping your digestive system thrive. The differences in calories and fiber are tiny. Both are smart, filling, and healthy choices that can easily fit into any meal plan. In this round, it's nearly a tie. Both vegetables offer similar benefits, so you can pick your favorite or enjoy both together. Broccoli has a slight fiber edge, while cauliflower is a bit lower in calories. But these differences are so small, they're hardly worth stressing over. For most people, you really can't go wrong with either. Both are delicious, versatile, and packed with nutrition. The real win? Adding more of both to your plate, mixing them into salads, stir-fries, or even roasting them together for a tasty side. That's a deal your body will thank you for every single day. Let's talk vitamins. Specifically, vitamin C and vitamin K. Broccoli is a vitamin C powerhouse. 1 cup gives you over 90% of your daily needs. Cauliflower isn't far behind, offering more than half your daily vitamin C in a single serving. Both are great, but broccoli takes the lead here. Now, vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Broccoli delivers over 77% of your daily vitamin K per cup. Cauliflower, only about 13%. So, in the vitamin showdown, broccoli is the clear winner. If you want to boost your C and K, go green. But don't count out cauliflower, it still packs a punch. Both are better than a supplement, thanks to the synergy of whole foods. For vitamins, broccoli is the champ, but cauliflower is still a contender. Either way, your body benefits. Eat up. Vitamins aren't the whole story. Let's check out minerals. Potassium is key for fluid balance, nerves, and heart health. Cauliflower slightly edges out broccoli here, 320 mg per cup versus 288 mg. Both are solid sources, supporting healthy blood pressure and muscles. Now, vitamin B6, important for brain function and mood. Broccoli and cauliflower are nearly tied, about 0.16–0.99 mg per cup. Both help your body make serotonin and melatonin, supporting mood and sleep. The takeaway? Both veggies are strong in minerals and B vitamins. Sometimes there's no clear winner. Variety is best. Mix them up for a balanced nutrient boost. Broccoli wins some rounds, cauliflower others. The healthiest plate includes both. That's the real secret. Now, let's talk antioxidants, your body's cellular bodyguards. Free radicals can damage your cells, but antioxidants neutralize them. Broccoli is rich in carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes. Cauliflower, though pale, is loaded with antioxidants too, like beta-carotene and quercetin. Both contain glucosinolates, which convert to powerful compounds when you chew them. Broccoli stands out for sulforaphane, especially in young sprouts, a potent defender against cell damage. These compounds do more than fight free radicals. They help reduce inflammation and support your body's detox systems. Eating broccoli or cauliflower means you're arming your cells with a full arsenal of protective nutrients. It's not just about vitamins and minerals, it's about long-term cellular health. So every bite is a boost for your body's defenses. Broccoli and cauliflower are more than veggies. They're your internal security team. Add them to your diet for a daily dose of protection. Your cells will thank you. Eat smart. Stay strong. The antioxidants and compounds in broccoli and cauliflower do more than nourish. They help prevent disease. Studies link these veggies to lower risks of cancer thanks to sulforaphane and isothiocyanates. No single food prevents cancer, but these are powerful allies in a healthy diet. They also support heart health. Potassium helps blood pressure, fiber lowers cholesterol, and anti-inflammatory compounds protect blood vessels. Their fiber and low calories make them excellent for managing type 2 diabetes, slowing sugar absorption and supporting healthy weight. The benefits go far beyond basic nutrition. Broccoli and cauliflower are proactive choices for long-term health. They're strong bricks in your body's fortress. Add them to your meals for a smarter, stronger you. Disease prevention starts on your plate. Cooking matters. How you prepare broccoli and cauliflower affects taste and nutrition. Overcooking ruins texture, color, and destroys nutrients like vitamin C and sulforaphane. Steaming is best. It keeps veggies tender, crisp, and preserves nutrients. Just a few minutes is all you need. Don't let them go mushy. Roasting is another winner. High heat brings out sweetness and crispiness. Toss florets with olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast until golden. Avoid boiling for long periods. Nutrients leach into the water. Quick methods like steaming, stir-frying, or roasting are your best bets. You can even enjoy them raw for maximum crunch and nutrition. Treat these veggies with respect. Good technique means better flavor and health. The right cooking method bridges the gap between healthy ingredients and delicious meals. Make every bite count. Knowing the science is great, but let's get practical. Because the real magic happens when you bring these nutritious veggies into your kitchen and onto your plate. Here are 3 easy, delicious ways to enjoy broccoli and cauliflower that anyone can master, no matter your cooking experience. First up, roasted broccoli with garlic, a crowd pleaser that's both simple and packed with flavor. Toss fresh broccoli florets with olive oil, plenty of minced garlic, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Spread them out and roast at 400-degree box, 200-degree box for about 20 minutes until the edges are crispy and the aroma fills your kitchen. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Next, let's make cauliflower fried rice. Pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice-sized grains, creating a perfect low-carb base. Sauté with chopped onions, carrots, peas, and a scrambled egg. Stir-fry everything for 5 to 7 minutes. Then, season with soy sauce or tamari for extra flavor. Enjoy a healthy, low-carb twist on a classic comfort food that's just as satisfying. Finally, steamed broccoli with lemon and parmesan, a quick side that's always a hit. Steam broccoli, florets, for about 5 minutes, just until they're bright green and tender crisp. Drizzle with a little olive oil and a splash of lemon juice for a fresh, zesty finish. Sprinkle generously with Parmesan, a pinch of salt, and cracked black pepper. Simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. These dishes prove that healthy eating can be easy, flavorful, and fun for the whole family. Mix and match these recipes for endless variety throughout the week. Try new spices, herbs, or sauces to keep things interesting and discover your favorite combinations. The key is to make these veggies a regular, enjoyable part of your meals, whether as a side or the star of the plate. With just a few simple techniques, you'll actually look forward to eating your greens and whites every day. Healthy food doesn't have to be boring or bland. It can be vibrant, satisfying, and crave-worthy. Start with these recipes, then make them your own by adding your personal touch. The more you experiment and play with flavors, the more you'll fall in love with these versatile veggies. Broccoli and cauliflower are incredibly adaptable. Let them shine in your kitchen and on your table. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for making these simple, wholesome dishes a regular part of your life. So, what's the verdict? Both broccoli and cauliflower are nutritional superstars. Broccoli stands out for vitamin C, vitamin K, and eye-healthy antioxidants. Cauliflower offers more potassium and unique antioxidants plus unmatched versatility. There's no single winner. Both are excellent for your health. The best vegetable is the one you'll actually eat and enjoy. Love broccoli's bold flavor? Go for it. Prefer cauliflower's mildness? That's great too. Better yet, include both for maximum benefits. Variety is the key to a healthy diet. Tonight, will it be the green champion, the white contender, or both? The choice is yours. Just make sure they're on your plate. Eat well, live well.